Guys, it's Teresa, and I'm obviously on my bed, and I have some Doritos here, but it's not full. I was been eating that because I was watching Netflix. I don't actually have a TV on my bed because do you see any TV here? No. I'm just gonna show you my slimes. The only thing why you see me feeling this way is because I'm sick. So yeah. By the way, hey boys and girls.